Greetings from Paha Sapa, the center of all that is, and the place where the Lakota people come to pray for the state of a world that needs all the prayer it can get. Stan Gibilisco here, king of the magnates of Malarkey, fearless leader of the barons of Bologna, and supreme intergalactic commander of the sultans of stupidity. I'm going to take you here to a cool site that I have found. Go to About Me on that Magnates of Malarkey website. It'll take you to sciencewriter.net, and you guessed it, you click on the research sites link and you go down to Internet Related, and then hit Internet Speed Test SW. Now SW, forget exactly what that stands for. Sure West, okay? Now, the thing that I like about this test is that it doesn't require Java. I took off all of my computers after the recent scare about that particular apparatus. So I took that off. But this thing works here. We're on Internet Explorer. I'm going to test my speed, my connection speed. It's kind of cool. A lot of them use this same program here. Testing download speed. The ping, it says, was 113 milliseconds. I don't know how good that is. Download speed, 5074 kilobits per second. Be a little over 5 megabits per second. Testing upload speed, 1639 kilobits per second. That'd be 1.6 or thereabouts megabits per second. That's about what I usually get, and it's not terribly blazing fast, but it's fast enough for me, at least for the applications that I use now. So once again, to get to this, what you do is you type the Magnates of Malarkey into your favorite search engine as a phrase. You'll get to my... Read this story, by the way. It's a little bit allegorical, but hey, you know, so what? So is a lot of good stuff. Or maybe this is bad stuff. Hey, tell me, do you like this story? Read it and then send me an email. Shoot me an email. About me, you can go to my mailbox, click on that link, and it'll tell you how to send me an email. But then you click on About Me, you go to research sites, you hit. Go down to Internet Related, hit Internet Speed Test SW. Now, the WOW one probably isn't going to work for you. That's my own particular provider. They call themselves WOW. I don't particularly like that name for a company. It's a little too quick and simple, little bit too easy, huh? But anyway, it tells me I get a faster connection because I'm directly connected to their servers. But of course, you're not normally directly connected to servers. So that's the deal. Hit research sites, go to Internet Related, go to Internet Speed Test SW. I do believe you have to have Flash enabled. I'm not really sure. I mean, you can't just kill all your features on your browser and expect it to work. Let's test it again. I'm just curious. Let's try this again. 146 milliseconds. That ping is a little slower. Data coming down the pike at me. 5.120 megabits per second, 5120 kilobits. Remember, bits per second go in powers of 10, so it really is 5,120 kilobits per second is 5.120 megabits per second, and 1,637 kilobits per second really is 1.637 megabits per second. For bytes of storage, it doesn't work quite that simply, because bytes, remember, go in powers of 2 rather than powers of 10. So that's the little bit of wisdom for this episode from Stan Gibilisco, sciencewriter.net. Explore my other stuff here, why don't you? Until next time, so long.